Finally, TCS announced its financial year 2025 hike, and also we are going to discuss Wings 1 May 2025 super latest new updates. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazir Tech Study. So in this video, we are going to discuss new hike effect in September payslip or payroll, and how much hike will you get. Third topic, when will Wings 1 May 2025 result will come, and Wings 1 dashboard, when will it update. Finally, important frequently asked questions are your comments and my answers. So TCS recently announced its financial year hike, which will be effective from September 2025 payslip. So new hiked compensation letter will come in August last week or within this week. So up to August last week you can expect the new hiked compensation letter. So most of the candidates are, again another question you will ask, I have get a band, how much hike I will get. So expected hike according to band or rating. A band, if you get, so you will get usually 5 to 7%, and if you are getting B band, which is equivalent to rating 4 or 3.95 to 4.2 like that, then you will get a 4 to 4.5% hike. And finally, if you get C band, you will get a 1.5% to 3% hike. So this is the hike usually TCS give to its employees. So, and another important note is hike is up to C3 grade only. So C4, C5 and above roles, TCS haven't announced any hike. So they have to wait till the next announcement. And most important third question will be, when will Wings 1 May 2025 result will come. So as you know, Wings 1 May exams are ended in the July month. So next question you will ask, when will I will get my result which I have given in May cycle. So basically that result will come August last week or September first week of 2025. And fourth question, when will Wings 1 dashboard will update. So mostly it will update this kind of dashboard in after result release within a week. So most of the time it will update within a week only. So you can expect Wings 1 related, Wings 1 digital or innovator compensation letter will also you will get in the September month. So FAQs, so one of the person asked, I have been released from the project recently. After my Wings examination, is it necessary to be in a project before the results? If I promoted to digital but still unallocated, what could be possible in that scenario? Please explain. So basically you have released from the project recently, and this is won't affect the Wings 1 examination or Wings 1 results. Okay, so if you are promoted, but the condition is up to financial 2025 you don't have any effect or any negative impact, but in FY 2026 you will have to get A or B band, then only your compensation will be resumed. So you need to take care of that. So my suggestion is to you allocate in the project as early as possible. As you know, TCS has some strict rules. You will have to get into the project within 35 days after release from the current project. So if you have any Wings 1 related doubts or queries, you can book a session with me. I will give you the link in the description. So if you are preparing for upcoming cycle, which is November cycle, if you require 1 month coaching, you can choose this plan. So basically you need a 3 months of preparation plan. So complete the 3 months is enough for you to clear the Wings 1, 3 to 4 months maximum. If you are definitely want to crack the Wings 1 November 2025 cycle and you feel you require guidance, then definitely choose this plan. Definitely buy out this plan. It will result you very well. So if you are investing this amount 8 or 9 and 10 in the next after clearance of your digital, you will get the Wings 1 incentive 25,000 plus. So one time 9,000 investment, every month 25,000 plus benefits. So you need to consider this one. And if you require TCS Wings 1 super premium materials, then buy this plan. This is a digital product. So in this all the core full stack and business skill to articulation process materials will be there. And if you require career guidance, then book a session here. So this is also the same 30 minutes. Ask me anything, which is a DM direct message, replied in 2 days. If you are not sure what is going to happen in your career, then book a 1:1 mentorship. I will connect with you. So other features are also there in our top mid page. You can go through that one. So this is all about TCS hike and Wings 1 May 2025 latest updates. If you have any further queries, let me know in the comment section. And if you like our content, do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.